Our SKINTRINSIQ treatment by Obagi. It is a new machine. We are one of 7 offices that were selected across the country to launch this new technology. The machine does a really nice job with the LED light technology. It has a blue and a red light capability that can be simultaneously changed as it glides softly across your skin. You're not going to feel any of the diamond tip like you would in the other procedure. This one is very soft. It feels very smooth. Patients say their skin is glowing, brighter, healthier, and that it lasts for more than 2 weeks. We think this is a very nice treatment for people that are Obagi loyalists. We can customize the serums that go on to the face. We would choose things such as vitamin C, Elastiderm facial serum, Elastiderm eye serum, and we can actually put them in different sections of your face and penetrate it deep into the skin with their light technology. We are very happy with this treatment. We also did clinical trials for them that were very successful here at the clinic. 10 patients participated. They had to stop their prescription products during the treatments, and at the end, all of them were very, very happy with their skin. They felt brighter, healthier, red carpet ready. Some of them said just a beautiful, healthy glow. They wore less makeup. There was no downtime. And you can also add a peel to this, which is the Obagi Radiance peel. It can be put in the middle of the treatment. If you are an Obagi loyalist, you are using Retin-A on a very heavy track, as most people tend to do in the winter. You will not have this treatment feeling aggressive. Your skin is going to feel like it had a big drink of water. It's brighter, it's healthier. We can get right up in the eye area, as you're seeing here, with the handpiece gliding across the eye area. It's very, very nice. So what we're doing now is making everything nice and open, clean, and ready with this red light. You're going to see that her skin starts to get a little bit flushed and bright. You're starting to see the nice flush pink into her skin getting nice and bright, partially from the suction and partially from the red light. Wakes all of the cells up, gets everything ready for the next process, which is going to be a very light, soft chemical radiance peel. Also by Obagi, it can be put in the middle of the SKINTRINSIQ treatment with very little downtime, usually none. The skin just gets really nice and bright. And then we go on to the final infusion, which is completely customized per each patient's wishes. I also cross-customize sometimes, where we do some firming on the neck or the chest, and we may do skin brightening, which would be Obagi FX, vitamin C, eye cream, and then we finish with a Hydrate Luxe product at the very end. We would move into the peel process. We are now going to evenly apply the Radiance blue peel. It's very light. She can leave the office today and go to work, go about her day, put makeup on if she wants, although she's mentioned lately that she only wears a nice little cream blush and doesn't feel like she needs makeup as much anymore, which makes me very happy. This peel will sit on 10-12 minutes depending on each patient. Again, what's wonderful about this is you can go right up under the eye. So many times when patients are having things done, they complain about eyes, around the mouth, things of that nature. It's very common for most people to have problems there and their neck. So this is a peel that can be done very nicely without a lot of downtime. At the end of the peel now, how are you feeling, Lisa?
Good, tingling stopped.
Okay, so we're just gonna use a little gentle cleanser here to remove that for you. You can probably turn the fan off, sweetie. Thank you. Perfect. Prepare a towel. So the nice thing about this is not a scary treatment. Some people hear the word peel, they get very nervous, they don't want their faces to be a disaster. Lisa has a very professional job. She can go about her day and not have to worry that her skin is going to give her some embarrassing moments throughout the day. It just looks healthy and beautiful. The other thing I did ahead of time is I prepared products off to the side for Lisa. So today her little cocktail is going to be 10% C first. Put several drops on the face. The thing I love about SKINTRINSIQ is that you can actually customize all of this for your patients. You are not just running whatever is coming through the handpiece out of a bottle. You're looking at your patient, you're deciding what each patient would want. You can customize it beautifully that way. I think that really sets it apart, and for most people like Lisa, she's a loyal Obagi patient, very happy with her products. This is Elastiderm facial serum. It's going to help with the tightening of her skin and the elasticity, and we are going to be forcing that in with the light. She loves the eye cream to be forced in around the lip area. This is also Elastiderm eye cream. So again, I'm hand selecting these things for each patient, deciding what we want infused with the light next. If someone had a lot of hair, you could also start with a dermaplane in the beginning of this. I also have 2 more sticks here with eye cream. So we're going to do a little on the bottom of each eye. Can get right up under there, and then you can also infuse it beautifully with the light. Lisa's always liking to work on her pigment, so her skin is fresh and open from that peel. We're going to go ahead and put Clear FX on her skin from Obagi. It is their non-prescription skin lightener, and it is going to be forced in with the light as well. Want to get a nice even application. How are you feeling, Lisa?
Good.
Good. No more burning?
No more burning.
Okay. How's it feeling by your eye? Comfortable?
It's comfortable, yeah.
Good. Most patients describe this as relaxing. We tend to turn the lights down, make it a little quiet. It's also a wonderful time. Sometimes people love catching up with me about how their families are, things that's going on in their life, their skincare. So this is a really nice time to just sort of connect with them and all of those nice things.
It has a massage quality.
Nice, thank you. She says it has a massage quality to it, so they do get really kind of tired and relax. This is my favorite part of the treatment, as it really brightens the patient's skin. And what's unique about this is you can simultaneously change the handpiece. So in other words, if I felt like there was an acne spot up on the forehead here and I really wanted to treat it, I could go ahead and simultaneously, with one little bump of my knuckle, change it for the patient. They don't know. I'm treating different areas for different reasons. They're completely comfortable. Really tend to do a little blue on noses. And back to the red for around the mouth. Now we're forcing in the vitamin C. We're forcing in the eye cream. You can see the bright, fluffy, healthy skin starting to react to the light and all the products being forced in underneath. Have you had any problems with breaking out anywhere? It looks really
No,
good.
no.
Good. Nothing from the mask even. Okay. So what will happen then is the peel is really going to help you. You know, it's going to keep everything exfoliating nicely. You can go back to your Retin-A in a day or two, just depending on how your skin feels, mainly because of the weather, not because of the peel. Another nice thing is you can really work all the way back by the ear for patients. You can go down under the ear area really nicely. When you put the product back in this area, there's a lot of pigment sometimes that tends to collect in the back of faces. So you can really get this handpiece in there nicely to force the clear FX, the vitamin C, and all the brighteners in there that you need. How do you feel SKINTRINSIQ lasts for you, Lisa?
Weeks. I would say it lasts weeks. The most profound effect for me with the SKINTRINSIQ is its staying power. I found that it lasts, for, like I said, for weeks, and that fresh face, healthy look,
Okay.
with all those qualities you've been talking about, brightness, firming, blah blah blah, all that stuff, lasts. Like I'll run into a friend, I'll have a top knot, no makeup, just standing there, and she's like, "What are you doing? What are you doing?" I'm like, "I don't know. It's Obagi. It's a new Obagi treatment. Go get one of those things. Just go do it."
That's great. Thank you. That's great. Glad to hear. I love that. It just gives everyone a little more confidence that what they're using on their skin is also being infused deeply with these lights. You can see all the pretty flush. Her skin stays flush and healthy without being red. And like she said, the effects of this light last weeks. I don't think things are getting evaporated as much because it's being forced into the skin with the light. This treatment is wonderful for red carpet events. It's wonderful for weddings, baby showers. You can do it pregnant, nursing. There's no problems. We would not have any chemicals being infused because, again, we can completely decide what goes on to your face. We would not be doing that on anyone pregnant or nursing. One more little round by the eyes to make sure they're nice and bright. She has a little bit of allergies, and her eyes are one of her areas that she likes us to work on here. So we're just going to do a nice little second or third pass here just to brighten for her. This would then end the SKINTRINSIQ treatment. We would add sunscreen. She could put makeup on if she would like and go about her day. Talk to your healthcare providers about the SKINTRINSIQ.